you don't need long hair to create the perfect ponytail. I'm going to show you how to elevate your ponytail in less than 5 minutes. I am obsessed with ponytail extensions. They are honestly my go-to hair accessory. I just love being able to add instant length and color to my hair with zero commitment. Today I'm going to be using a drawstring ponytail extension, but I do have wraparound ponytail extensions, and I will link a video to a little bit more info about them in the description below. Drawstring ponytails feature 2 clips and a drawstring, which is how your ponytail is going to be secured. Unlike the wraparound extensions, these ponytail extensions do have to be installed on a bun. So this top comb goes into the front of your bun, just between your scalp and the hair tie. Then we are going to take the drawstring and just tighten it. Once you're feeling that secure, we are going to tuck this excess elastic up into the bun. Once that's done, we're going to take a piece of hair from underneath the extension and we're going to wrap it around the base of the ponytail. We're just trying to hide the section where the ponytail connects to your natural hair. And we're just going to use a bobby pin to secure that. You can use a scrunchie or something like that to cover that section if you prefer. And that is it. As I told you, it is so quick and easy. It only takes minutes. It's almost too easy. If you would like a customized ponytail, I will leave a link in the description for you to make a custom request. If you would like more information on my wraparound ponytails, then I suggest watching this video next. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up.